Good morning, students and bacho. Am I audible to everyone? Am I audible to everyone, students? Okay, I'm visible to everyone also. Hmm. Okay, so today I'm like starting the things. But before starting the things, I'm telling you exactly today what we are doing today. We are doing the section FGH. Okay, first we do section F, section G, then section H, and then we will move towards your doubt solving problems. Okay, so we will more focus today on your doubt. What about your doubts in organic, in any kind of questions? Correct, everyone? So now I'm starting with the section F here. ठीक है बच्चों, अपन section F से continue करेंगे. Everybody is everybody is there. Any problem from my side, like voice in the screen? Webcam I will turn off while I'm teaching. Tell me, students. All are good, na? So guys, we have already done which one? We have the category A, that is terminal alkyne, then test for unsaturation. We have bromine water test, we have a Bayer's reagent. Correct. You need not write yet. Tarun, I'm already shared that PDF among you. So we have done test for terminal alkynes, that Poland's reagent that will give white precipitate, if you remember. Okay, and ammonical cuprous chloride, this will give red color precipitate. Correct. That is for test for terminal alkynes. Then we have alcohol, phenol, nitro group, and alkyl halide. So for alcohol, let's say if I'm talking about aliphatic and phenol, so it will be differentiated by either neutral FeCl3 test, or either it can be differentiated by CAN, steric ammonium nitrate. So it's a group present test, and when we do the CAN, steric ammonium nitrate test, it's a group present for alcohol, and we get a red coloration. We have a red coloration, students. Okay, students. What about Lucas? So Lucas basically distinguishes among the alcohol, students, whether we have primary, secondary, and the tertiary alcohol, you can say. So primary alcohol, you can think like कि अपन को turbidity जो मिल रही है ना, वो after 30 minutes मिल रही है. It means it will be the least reactive. Secondary में आपको 5 minutes के बाद turbidity मिल रही है. And what about the tertiary alcohol? Tertiary alcohol give turbidity immediately. Now we are moving towards Victor Mayer test. So Victor Mayer test क्या होता है बच्चों? We have primary alcohol. We have primary alcohol which will give blood red color, with a sequence of reaction. First, we need to react with phosphorus iodine, then AgNO2, so that we can form nitrous acid, and then sorry, AgNO3, I think, no, AgNO2. This AgNO2 react with further, we get the RCH2NO2, and then we can react with HONO. Sometimes we call nitrous acid को HONO. We called sometime nitrous acid called HONO also, but both are same. Either you may write HNO2 or you may write HONO. So you will get what beta? This particular complex, and this complex when you dissolve in a base, you will get blood red color. What about secondary alcohol? So secondary alcohol do the same reaction in a sequence, but the complex is different. So beta, first we have a blood red color, second we have a blue color, and tertiary we don't have any kind of reaction with HNO2. So beta, after reacting with the base, we will not get any kind of color, you can say. Correct. So ये विक्टर मेयर टेस्ट है. विक्टर मेयर टेस्ट के बाद we have discussed ठीक है. अपन के पास एक बॉइलिंग ट्यूब होती है, मेरे पास ऐसे बॉइलिंग ट्यूब. तो बॉइलिंग ट्यूब में अपन ने किया, बॉइलिंग ट्यूब में अपन ने मिक्स किया. सबसे पहले फर्स्ट वी नीड टू ऐड अल्कोहल, में भी पर्टिकुलर सॉल्वेंट. ठीक है, ऑलरेडी अल्कोहल ऑलरेडी लिक्विड फॉर्म में होता है, तो वी नीड नॉट टू मिक्स द सॉल्वेंट. ठीक है, they already present in a liquid form. Then we will add beta steric ammonium nitrate. So when we will add, my voice is breaking, sometimes we have internet problem. Hmm. So students, what happened here, we add alcohol and we can add CN, steric ammonium nitrate test, and we will get the red coloration. We remember. Then we have neutral FeCl3 test. We have already done. This is one of the best tests I will do in the lab, students. You know, मैं जो neutral FeCl3 बनाता था ना, it is one of the best one. Like in our batch, I think there are almost 23, 24 students. One, maybe 24, 25 students. So everybody comes in my like the place where I'm doing the experiment, and everybody took the neutral FeCl3 for the phenolic test. I'm the best maker of neutral FeCl3 during my MSc. करेक्ट, और बहुत आसान था, कोई ज्यादा टफ नहीं है, बट वेरी वेरी कॉन्साइज. न्यूट्रल FeCl3 कैसे बनाते हैं, फर्स्ट बॉइलिंग ट्यूब में अपन FeCl3 लेंगे, सॉलिड पाउडर होता है, एंड सॉलिड पाउडर ऑलमोस्ट ग्रीनिश ग्रीनिश होता है, ग्रीनिश ग्रीनिश काइंड ऑफ, ठीक है, ऑरेंज ग्रीनिश ऐसा कुछ होता है पाउडर. वी ऐड दिस पाउडर, देन वी विल ऐड फर्स्टली एसिड मिक्स कर सकते हैं या बेस मिक्स कर सकते हैं. लेट्स से अपन ने बेस मिक्स कर दिया, उसको डिसॉल्व कर दिया, उसके बाद अपन ने एसिड डालता है, एसिड 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 एसिड. at a point when we will add one drop, it will become precipitate. So basically अपन को क्या करना है, वो पॉइंट लाना है when we add one drop of acid and it will become precipitate. ठीक है, then again we will add one drop of NaOH and this is the neutral FeCl3, the perfect neutral FeCl3. Correct everyone? Then after that we can do the perform the test and we will get the violet coloration. Generally we have violet blue type of coloration. Okay. Now Mulliken-Balker test, I think you know ammonium chloride zinc का use करते हैं. Then we have Tollens reagent and we will get the black precipitate. And this test especially for NO2 group, okay, nitro group. Then alkyl halide के easy NO3, one of the best test जिसका result हमेशा positive और बहुत ही अच्छा test आता है. And it's a very simple test, okay. Now we have aldehyde ketone 2,4-DNP, Tollens reagent test. We have Silver mirror. Then we have Fehling solution test. Fehling solution, it's a sodium potassium tartrate. Banetic solution, sodium potassium citrate, we remember. And we get a red color precipitate of Cu2O. This is the JEE mains question. NIT में तो damn sure आएगा, damn sure मैं लिख सकता हूँ, damn sure आ सकता है. What will be the red color precipitate? So we remember option में CuO and Cu2O. So your answer will be always Cu2O, in which copper present in +1 copper present in +1 oxidation state. Now we will move towards the Banetic solution. Now I think you will do the same type of reactions. We have red brown color precipitate. Cu2O is the precipitate here. Aromatic aldehyde do not give Fehling and Banetic solution test. We remember benzaldehyde मैंने कैसे याद किया हुआ है, देखो मैंने कैसे याद किया, फेसबुक होता है ना, फेसबुक. So beta Fehling solution test never given by benzaldehyde. Correct. This is my trick. How can I remember this particular point? So I'm writing Facebook. So Facebook. So Fehling solution test will not given by B for benzaldehyde. So this is the my trick. How can I remember this particular? You can create your own trick also. Although it's a memory based things, so it's better you can create some tricks, students. This tricks will really helpful for you. Correct. Now the SIPS reagent test. This pink color will restore. You can say iodoform test. This is specially for this kind of group. This group, students. This group, sir. If we have this group, बेटा जिसे बोलते हैं आइसोप्रोपाइल अल्कोहल, और इसे बोलते हैं एसिड, क्या बोल सकते हैं, मिथाइल कीटोन बोल सकते हैं आप, मिथाइल कीटोन, और इट्स आइसोप्रोपाइल अल्कोहल. सो इसके लिए टेस्ट किया जाता है, वी विल गेट आयोडोफॉर्म, correct everyone, we will get iodoform, you can say. Now we are moving towards acid ester amide. Now we will move towards acid ester amide. Correct. Now test for acid. Now I will switch off my. Now look at it here, students. Now we are moving towards the test for acid and ester and then amide. So beta acid के लिए first test, and that is very beautiful test, and that test is termed as The test is termed as sodium bicarbonate test. It is sodium bicarbonate. Whenever we have acid react with sodium bicarbonate, we remember we have a liberation of CO2 gas. Okay, so any acid react with base, this that is sodium bicarbonate, it will form H2CO3, carbonic acid, correct? And this H2CO3 will further decompose into H2O and CO2. Okay, everyone. And beta, what will be the most important point? So I will tell you what will be the most important point. Actually, you are not notice that particular point. Beta, this carbon is a C star carbon. C star. C star means it's a radioactive. C star means it's a radioactive. Sir, why we are taken radioactive? Because we need to know that radioactive isotope of carbon. Actually, you are not taken this point as a serious point, but this is a very serious point. Sometimes students are thinking that particular carbon and that carbon both are same. No, it's not same. Be remember. Be remember. So basically, C star coming from the sodium bicarbonate. So be remember, whenever we carbon is released, it always released from the sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate से release होगा, not from the acid part. Because sometimes you are thinking, sir, here CO2 is removed. So beta sulfonic acid में SO2 is removed. No, beta here carbon and this carbon will be removed. अब बोलो डॉक्टर्स यार, डॉक्टर्स यार इतना स्लो क्यों जाते हो यार? Sir, to observe how CO2 is forming, beta you need to remember directly. As such कोई mechanism नहीं है इसका. But let's say अगर मैं explanation दूं आपको, let's say if I'm giving you the explanation, ठीक है ना? नहीं, ये तो गलत हो गया. H2 HCO3 है ना, I'm saying. So we will get this one. Correct. So basically what happened, this will comes here and beta this will comes here. So here we get CO2 and here we will get OH minus ions. This OH minus ions react with H positive and they are forming water. Okay, although you are not going through deeply, आपको deeply नहीं जाना है. You can directly remember acid react with sodium bicarbonate, any acid, either sulfonic, carbonic, perchloric, chloric, any kind of acid, they will liberate CO2 gas. Correct, students? Now we are moving towards the next one. This is the best example, students. Actually, JEE में ये आ चुका है. We remember if we have a ortho para position, if electron withdrawing group present at para position of phenol, it will give positive test with sodium bicarbonate. So beta, whenever we have ortho para position, electron withdrawing group is there, we remember it also act as an acid. It also act as an acid. So acid react with sodium bicarbonate, and let's say this is a star, so this is also a star one. Correct, students? So you need to remember this particular point. Now beta, litmus test. So litmus test is very simple and you know very well that acid convert blue litmus into red litmus. Acid, basically I'm saying acid are the murderer. What do you mean by murder? When you are hit someone with a pistol or with the AK-47 in PUBG, so beta वो red color हो जाता है ना, खून निकलने के बाद, blood. So basically acid are the, you can say the killer, you can say. So whenever you put any kind of litmus paper in acid, we remember it's murder, it kill the litmus paper, and beta उसके बाद क्या होगा? The litmus paper will turn into red. So in this way you can remember. Sometimes you are getting confusion, sir, whether red to blue or blue to red. So it's very simple. Sir, now BGMI green blood. Actually, Hemant, you know very well there are some government protocols. That's why we change the color right now. Although right now I'm playing Korean PUBG, not the BGMI, because I have a iOS now. iOS may be launching new. So skip this part. So now we are having moving towards. You are very clever, है ना? Very clever. Change the topic within a 1 second. Correct. So now we are moving towards the test for Aster. So guys, Aster के लिए देखो. Guys, I'm telling you very honestly, ये जो Aster का टेस्ट है ना, Aster का टेस्ट है वो, Aster का ही टेस्ट था. हाँ. So guys, one day in my lab, there is a one I'm saying क्या बोलते हैं बेटा उसे, वॉच ग्लास, देयर इज अ वॉच ग्लास, वॉच ग्लास में मैंने अपना सॉल्ट रखा एस्टर का, वेरी स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ, एंड देन उसके बाद उसमें कंसंट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड डाला। जैसे ही मैंने एसिड डाला बेटा, तो बेसिकली वी नीड टू स्मेल सम फ्रूटी स्मेल। ओके, दिस इज माय एमएससी फर्स्ट ईयर फर्स्ट सेम। ओके, सो बेसिकली मुझे स्मेल नहीं आ रहा था, सो आई विल क्लोज 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 क्लोज, एंड बेटा वॉच ग्लास पर था सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड, वो भी कंसंट्रेटेड। जैसे ही मैं ज्यादा क्लोज गया ना बच्चों, हुआ क्या कि वो थोड़ा टेढ़ा हो गया। टेढ़ा होने के बाद वो हुआ क्या, उसके ऊपर जो एसिड था स्टक था, लाइक अ हनी टाइप, यू कैन से वेरी विस्कस दैट वन, वो मेरे लिप्स पर लग गया। ठीक है, अब गाइज एसिड जब बेसिकली अपना बॉडी है, अपनी बॉडी में बहुत ज्यादा वाटर है, वाटर, एंड कंसंट्रेटेड सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड एक्ट एज अ डिहाइड्रेटिंग एजेंट, so they absorb water molecule from my lips and I'm getting too much like heated type का situation हो गया था, और बिल्कुल जैसे कह सकते हैं ना कि बर्निंग होना, the exact feeling of that burning। and let's say if I'm going to like, अगर मैंने बेस से, if I'm doing base, let's say मैंने NaOH से डिसॉल्व कर लिया होता कि NaOH से वॉश कर लो वाटर से, so बेटा अगर मैं NaOH से एसिड को वॉश करता, so there is a neutralization reaction, and neutralization reaction is exothermic reaction, then I will finish। तो मैंने क्या किया बेसिकली, जैसे ही मेरे को वो एसिड लगा, मैं भागकर वाटर कूलर के पास गया, वाटर कूलर से मैंने डाइल्यूट किया एसिड को बहुत स्पीड में। आई एम डूइंग गोइंग टू लाइक डाइल्यूट दैट पर्टिकुलर एसिड फ्रॉम माय लाइक काइंड ऑफ फेस और काइंड ऑफ हेयर, यू कैन से, यहाँ पर लग गया था, एंड देन आई विल फील रिलेटिवली रिलैक्स, बट स्टिल गाइज, व्हेन यू आर डूइंग एक्सपेरिमेंट इन द लैब, यू नीड टू मोर प्रिक्योर अबाउट दिस थिंग्स। ठीक है, अभी आपने मेरा एफबी चेक नहीं किया है, एफबी पर एक मेरा वॉलपेपर, वो लाइक वो होता है ना प्रोफाइल पिक के बैक साइड में, कौन सा पिक होता है, व्हाट अबाउट द प्रोफाइल पिक के बैक साइड में, देयर इज अ वन पिक देयर ना, बैकग्राउंड पिक यू कैन से, टाइमलाइन पिक और वॉल कवर, यस कवर पिक्चर्स, यस। सो कवर पिक्चर पे ना मेरी लैब की ही फाइल है वो, दैट माय लैब, दैट माय लैब पिक। और उस पिक को अगर आप देखोगे ना बच्चों, अगर आप उस पिक को देखोगे, तो यू कैन थिंक कि अपन ने मास्क लगाया हुआ है, अपन ने ग्लव्स पहना हुआ है, अपन ने कोट पहना हुआ है। व्हाट इज द आईडी सर, नवीन दक्ष लिखेंगे, आई थिंक मैं आ जाऊंगा। ठीक है, यस, अपन ने लैब कोट पहना हुआ है, स्पेक्ट्स पहने हुए हैं, करेक्ट, मास्क लगाना होता है, सो लाइक बहुत प्रिकॉशन से जाना होता है लैब में, करेक्ट। और लेट्स से इन द मंथ ऑफ जून जुलाई, व्हेन यू आर डूइंग वर्क with the 4 hours 5 hours 6 hours in the lab, it will be very hectic for us yaar। Or base, can you say once again sir, or base means, I'm saying let's say अगर आपके let's say आपके इस पार्ट पर एसिड लग गया, let's say there is an acid, so you can't wash with a base, because acid plus base, salt plus water plus heat, so here heat is liberated and you feel like a burn, like something is burning in my hand, correct। So that's why whenever you have a such kind of thing, so you will definitely wash with the water, and the cold water, you can say cold water absorbs some energy from the H2SO4, so जो आपको heat up feel हो रहा होगा, that will absorb by the cold water, correct everyone। now we will move towards this one, look at it here। now this is for test for aster, I think one of the easiest test। now aster in the presence of base and phenolphthalein, now phenolphthalein color is pink color, okay, this pink color converted into colorless, this is the distinguished test for ester, we can identify the ester, then we will move towards the acid amide part। so acid amide guys, one of the most important one, we remember when we add amide, into base, into a base into a base, then we will what beta, ammonia is formed, then ammonia is formed here, then ammonia is formed here, then you can say ammonia is formed here, correct everyone, correct everyone। So this is also the important reaction, you need guys, you need to remember the test, okay। I'm not saying you can learn each and every reaction, but at least you remember ki sir amide, we add base, we will get ammonia smell, ammonical smell you can say, and that is a test for acid amide। if you learn this thing, you are able to hit the question right now, correct। there are some compounds which you need to learn, like tolerance reagent you may learn, silver mirror test, so you may learn, correct everyone, like iodoform test you may learn, Although you may learn that sir, it's methyl ketone and isopropyl alcohol, it converted into acid and iodoform. If you learn this thing also, that will be okay. And beta iodoform का color जो होता है वो yellow होता है, yellow precipitate. ठीक है, तो yellowish solution will formed here. Now amines के बारे में बात करते हैं. Like alcohol, that is also the similar one you can say. Similar means we have first carbylamine test. Carbylamine means we have chloroform plus base. So whenever we have a chloroform plus base, what happens, students? This amine is converted into isocyanide, and beta this isocyanide have a very unpleasant smell, and that is the confirmatory test for amines. We remember. So guys, I have green portion. Actually, this portion is changed. Otherwise, everything is same. What about side product? You may learn, but it's not so important. Important is amide to isocyanide. Amide to isocyanide. We need to remember this one. And they have an unpleasant smell. They have an unpleasant smell. That is the characteristic test for which one, students? Now this is so much important. Why? Because students forget that carbylamine test only for primary, either aliphatic or aromatic, and it gives a false smell of isocyanide. So this pink color, beta B, remember carbylamine test only for primary, aliphatic as well as aromatic compounds. Correct? You must remember. Sir, what about secondary, tertiary? So I'm already write down secondary and tertiary amines. Do not give this test. Secondary and tertiary amines do not give this test, students. Correct, everyone? Correct, everyone? Correct, everyone, students? Correct. So secondary and tertiary amines sir, फिर वो किससे टेस्ट होगा? Wait for a while. We have a very beautiful test, Inspug reagent test. Inspug reagent test. Okay, we will do later. Right now we are doing the next test, Hoffman mustard oil test. Hoffman, देखो what we need to learn here. Hoffman mustard oil test. Primary amine, aliphatic as well as aromatic amines. That is test only for this one. And what happened with the mustard oil test, students? So we have amine, we have, this is what beta? Carbon disulfide. Carbon disulfide. So when they react, students, we will form dithioethyl carbamic acid. And when they react with HgCl2, we will get this particular compound, isothiocyanate, and we have HGS. Actually, this particular compound have a mustard oil like smell. Mustard oil like smell. Okay, students, so you may remember only what beta? You may remember starting one and you may remember the last one. That's it. Okay, and the reason part is important one. You need to remember only reason. Otherwise, you need not to learn this one. Like these all are the side products, students. The important one is alkyl isocyanate. Alkyl isocyanate. Alkyl isocyanate. Correct, everyone? This is the important one, and you need to remember. Correct. Now the similar reaction, students. You are thinking, ki, sir, it's a too large. Dekho, beta, look at this one. Here R group is ethyl. Everything is same. NH2, this one, heat, HgCl2, isothiocyanate, mustard oil like smell. Is it the different one? No. But both are same. Here, this is a general reaction, and there is a specific reaction. That's it. Correct, students? Now, similarly, aniline give aniline, because this test only for primary aliphatic as well as aromatic. Correct, everyone? Now, students, now this is the same thing, isothiocyanate, mustard oil like smell. All things are same, students. Sir, what about secondary and tertiary amines? So, sir, secondary and tertiary amines do not give the test. Do not give the test. Correct, everyone. Correct, everyone. So we need to focus only which ones are this pink portion. Is our NH2 group react with the carbon disulfide and it will form what, sir? Isothiocyanate. Isothiocyanate, which have a mustard oil smell. बोलो यार, बोलो बच्चों. Tell me, students. Correct. Now we are moving towards remembering these many reactions is tough, sir. So we remember product and colors. Preetham, beta, do one thing. In the first phase or second phase, you may remember only the reactant, reagent, and the product colors. You can say, okay. I'm not saying learn each and everything, but when you are practicing some question, na, automatically you can learn. And something, some point of questions you may remember some formulas, some compound name. So beta, when you're solving that particular question, you can remember that particular compound also. So it also included automatically when you solve some questions. Correct. Correct, beta. देखो बेटा, नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट होफमैन के बाद देन वी विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द हिंसबर्ग. So what about Hinsberg, students? Hinsberg reagent. So Hinsberg reagent is benzoyl sulfonyl chloride. Benzoyl sulfonyl chloride. Actually, this compound is this one. Both are same. So please don't be confused. SOOCl. Okay, students. So this when primary amine react with this benzoyl sulfonyl chloride in the presence of pyridine. Pyridine is a base. We can get this particular product RNH. RNH, basically HCl will be removed here. Here HCl will be removed, and then we further react with base. So beta, compound is soluble in base. If compound is soluble in base, it means what beta? The amine must be primary. If it will be insoluble, so we remember the compound must be secondary amine. I'm talking about amine na, so it's a amine. And beta, if pyridine के साथ और sulfonyl chloride के साथ ही reaction ना हो, it's a plus sign there. So we remember if no reaction is there, it means it's a tertiary amine. So now the alcohol, like alcohol, we have Victor-Meyer test, Lucas test. Here also we have primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, distinguished test that we called that we called Hinsberg reagent test. Okay, okay, students. Now we are moving towards the next one. Next one. So, but after Hinsberg test, after Hinsberg test, we have sodium nitrite test. Sodium nitrite test. What do you mean by sodium nitrite? We have sodium nitrite test. We can say NaNO2 and aqueous HCl. So guys, first I am telling you one important reaction. We have NaNO2 plus HCl. So beta there is an exchange reaction. So NaCl plus HNO2. Sometimes we called HONO. 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 We called nitrous acid. We called nitrous acid because beta in some time in your question now they will directly give this one and you are confused. You are saying, sir, they are not given NaNO2 aqueous HCl. Oh my God, they given directly the product. Correct, everyone? So here, this nitrous acid actually, I'm telling you, nitrous acid basically react with the primary amine and liberating what beta? देखो बेटा, here we have liberating N2 gas. करेक्ट प्राइमरी अमीन में देखो बेटा प्राइमरी एलिफेटिक अमीन सर नाइट्रोजन गैस इज लिबरेटेड प्राइमरी एलिफेटिक अमीन nitrogen gas is liberated and primary aromatic amine beta diazonium salt is formed. And my dear students, you will definitely ask one question from this particular reaction, we remember, and I'm telling you अपन ने सभी रिएक्शंस की हुई हैं, सभी रिएक्शंस डाइजोनियम वाली भी, नाइट्रोजन गैस लिबरेशन वाली भी. So guys, primary aromatic amine, this will give diazonium salt. Sir, what is diazonium salt? So I'm writing a diazonium salt here. So we have pH, then we have N double bond N, not triple bond. And we have positive charge here and counter ion is chloride minus ion. Correct everyone? So this is the diazonium salt formula. Correct everyone? Correct students? So this reaction is also important. The secondary amine के साथ we will get yellow oily liquid and we will get this particular compound. This compound is important. Sometimes they ask. Correct everyone? So N-nitrosoamine basically it's a yellow oily liquid. And what about tertiary amine beta? They are not reacting. Correct everyone? So primary aliphatic amines are nitrogen gas in the form of a bubbles. Correct everyone? So it's an unstable liquid you can say. Correct everyone? So you need to remember the observation students. Correct. So this is the sodium nitrite test. Sodium now we are moving towards azodite test. Azodite test. So guys, azodite test is a very similar one. Aliphatic amine primary. I'm talking about only primary. Okay. I'm talking about only primary. So primary. This is the aliphatic amine. React with nitrous acid. Temperature must be lower. Be remember. Otherwise, it will be unstable. Then beta diazonium salt is formed, and when they react with beta naphthol, when they react with beta naphthol, it will form Sometimes it will form orange red azo dye. So this red dye beta, they are like very effective dye, guys. Very effective, very large product you will get. Correct, everyone? Correct, everyone? So these are the tests you need to remember, students. Correct. Now look at this reactions firstly one more time. Guys, amine की reactions एक बार फिर से देखो. Look at the amine reactions one more time. Carbylamine and Hofmann. Just go through it, students. Correct. Go through the carbylamine, then Hofmann, then after that beta, Hinsberg. Correct. Hinsberg test को देखो बेटा. Hinsberg test. Look at the observations on the students. I'm saying within 2-3 times you will get. Correct, students. So Hinsberg. Now sodium nitrite test. After sodium nitrite test, look at the observation: nitrogen gas, diazonium salts, okay, yellow oily liquid, then azodite test, the last one. Correct, students? Now we are doing some qualitative test, students. These are the very easy test, students, similar kind of. Okay, we can go through it, but I just want to know that it will be comfortable or not. If it will not comfortable, you can go through it the third, fourth, fifth test again. Guys, just quickly आपको रिवाइज करना है. You need to revise the things. Done, everyone? Tell me, everyone. Correct, students? When you done this part, the third, fourth, fifth. So tell me, when you done this part, then we will move towards the section H. Very good, Tarun. But it's very too fast, Tarun. Just go through one more time, guys. Means are important one, I'm saying. Wait, I will change my position. Done, everyone. Look at the now understand this particular test. Carbyl amino Hoffman mustard. Look at that part one also. Guys, go through it. This is a very worthy time because sometimes students read the reactions and they will not understand the exact mean. So this is the time you can ask me directly the question, ki, sir, this thing is what? Go through it and give me a message. Done. Very good, Hemant. Good, Renuka, Tarun. Good. At least you can understand these things. That is a very good point. Very good, Anushka, Sarmista. What about the rest students? Because we are getting only 10 replies. Very good, Deepika. Sir, if school open will do better, I don't know about that, whether you have a lab or not. I don't know about these things. These things. Done, everyone? Can we move towards now the section H? So now look at the section H, students. Now देखो बेटा, section H को देखो आप. Now beta, we need to do qualitative analysis of elements. Qualitative analysis of elements. So guys, देखो, previously in section A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So A, B, C, D, E, F. So A section basically monohalogenation and this kind of thing. Correct. Section B, section B, section B, section C, section D, section E, section F. What are this section B, C, D, E, F? You can say, you can say the you can say, I'm saying what am the appropriate word here. Section A for ozonolysis. So section B, C, D, E, F, G. This section basically based on, you can say, I'm saying the appropriate word, functional group analysis. Now I'm doing. So here we have detection of carbon and hydrogen. Here we have detection of carbon and hydrogen. Hmm. So guys, first we need to discuss the detection of carbon and hydrogen. So we remember carbon and hydrogen are detected by heating the compound with copper second oxide. Carbon present in this compound is oxidized to CO2. So beta, when we have carbon, when we have a carbon, this react with copper oxide and beta heat is given. So we will get copper plus CO2. So carbon plus UO and we will get heat and you will get copper plus CO2. Wait. No, Prita, beta, you need not to write. I've already shared this PDF with you. Correct. Now, beta, we have detection of carbon and hydrogen. So, guys, now carbon basically heated with copper oxide. यार रुक जाओ यार. So, guys, we have a carbon, we have a CuO, and it will convert into CO2. But when this CO2 react with calcium hydroxide, you can say quicklime. So, beta, we will get calcium carbonate. That is the white color precipitate. That is a white color precipitate. White color precipitate. Okay. So now similarly, we have देखो लिखा हुआ है कार्बन प्रेजेंट इन द कंपाउंड इज ऑक्सीडाइज्ड टू कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड टेस्टेड विद लाइम वाटर यू कैन से which developed turbidity, and this turbidity is due to calcium carbonate, we remember, and hydrogen to water. And hydrogen, how can you taste it? But when hydrogen react with copper oxide, it will form water. Okay. And when you react with copper sulfate, it is a colorless. When we have a water, so we have hydrogen react with copper oxide, students. So better this water is formed. And better this water, when they react with copper sulfate, the color of copper sulfate crystal turns blue. So better colorless say the color will be changed to blue, students. So that is the detection of carbon and hydrogen in organic compound, you can say. Correct, everyone? So you must remember that carbon converted into calcium carbonate when we pass through lime water, and hydrogen, it will convert into water, and this water beta, this water react with copper sulfate. Guys, this reaction you have already done in 10th class. You remember blue vitriol. blue vitriol. So that is a blue vitriol kind of. Copper sulfate का ही तो crystal होता है वो. There is a different water molecules absorbing there. Correct everyone? Now we are moving towards the H2. This is the H1 only for carbon and hydrogen. Now I am detecting some other element by Lessane test. Lessane. What do you mean by Lessane test? What do you mean by Lessane test, students? Lessane होता क्या है बेटा? Look at it here. Guys, we can take one capillary. Capillary means very small tube. We can add some salt here. Okay, then we will add. Salt means organic salt. Then we will add salt mat bolo, otherwise you are confused. I'm writing organic compound. Organic compound. Beta, then we add sodium. Okay, direct sodium. There is a you can kind of a very small crystal like sugar like crystals of the sodium we can put here. Then we will heat. When we will heat na that, students, we remember we get a Lessane extract. We get a particular compound. इसको अपन क्या करते हैं? We can heat, and after this heat we can pour into a water. We can pour into a water. They have already contained water, and we can pour into this particular one. We can pour into this water. Then after that, guys, we can heat up to which one? Their concentration will be reduced to half. It's a 100 ml, so it's a 50 ml. So beta, this solution act as a Le. Sometimes we called Lessane extract. Lessane extract. So beta, this extract is basically used for the test. Correct everyone? So nitrogen, sulfur, look at it here. Nitrogen, sulfur, halogen, phosphorus, okay, are detected by Lessane test. And what is Lessane extract? This is a Lessane extract. Correct everyone? So the element present in the compound are converted into covalent form to their ionic form. Bole to? Here, covalent compound. Covalent convert into ionic. Covalent convert into ionic. Covalent convert into ionic by fusing the organic compound with sodium matter. By fusing the organic compound with sodium metal. Correct everyone? So let's say if we have a carbon and nitrogen, they will form sodium cyanide. Guys, these are the important one. Important. They will ask in Ali, if we have a carbon nitrogen, which compound is formed? So this one. If we have a sulfur, sodium sulfide. Halogen, sodium halide. If we have carbon, nitrogen, sulfur, then we have isothiocyanate. Okay, isothiocyanate. Now beta, these compounds are present in this Ali here. Now you can perform the test. Now, are you getting my point what I'm saying? Sir, first we need to prepare the Ali, and this Ali contain this particular compound based on the availability, either carbon nitrogen, either sulfur, either halogen, either carbon nitrogen sulfur. How can you do the test? Now these are the different test, students. So I'm taking firstly nitrogen. I'm taking firstly nitrogen. So beta, nitrogen के लिए देखो NaCN, because for nitrogen this one is there. So NaCN, when they react with ferrous sulfate solution, we get this particular complex. Correct students? This is sodium ferrocyanide. This is sodium ferrocyanide. Now this sodium ferrocyanide, when they react with iron, they will form ferric ferrocyanide. And beta, this complex colored is Persian blue color. The complex colored is Persian blue color. And this is the confirmation test. Confirmation test for nitrogen. This organic compound must contain nitrogen. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? So you need to remember, not in the formula wise, I'm saying, remember that Persian blue colored is formed when we add ferrous sulfate and then we add ferric ion. These are the ferric ion, students. These are the ferric. Ferrous plus 2 Ferric plus 3. So this is the test for nitrogen. Now again the test for sulfur. So sulfur के लिए बहुत easy test है. Sodium sulfide we can add lead acetate and we can get the black precipitate of lead sulfide. Correct everyone? Correct everyone? Look at this, both of them. Look at this reaction. Disonium salt not show this test. No beta. We are not talking about nitrogen salt. Disonium salt basically convert into NaCN beta. So guys, now we are talking about the second test of sulfur. Second test. So what will be the second test, students? Look at it here. Sodium sulfide react with sodium nitroprusside. Guys, one of the important test, important one, important. This is color 111 only we should read and write now, sir. Is a beta in the first phase and second phase. You can remember the color name, but we remember sometime you may learn some structures also. So when you solve some questions and you will find out such kind of questions, so you may remember such structures also. I'm not saying everything. So guys, we have a sodium nitroprusside test, and beta we get a violet purple coloration. So we remember sodium nitroprusside test for which one? Sulfur. Sulfur. देखो बेटा, so sodium sulfide react with sodium nitroprusside and we will get violet purple coloration. Correct? This is the first test, second test, and third test, beta. What will be the third test? Look at the third test. If we have a sodium isothiocyanate, it will react with neutral FeCl3 and we will get blood red color. We will get blood red color. Correct, everyone? Correct, everyone? Now, guys, just go through these two tests. I'm coming within 2-3 minutes or maybe 5 minutes. You can go through this halogen test and phosphorus test. Now, after that, among the your students, I can select one student who can tell me the test for halogen and the test for phosphorus. Be prepared. I'm taking your viva today after 5 minutes. Yes, students. Hello, everyone. Am I audible? Am I audible, बच्चों? Am I audible? Yes. So who is the guy who can explain the test for halogen? Tell me. Just raise their hand. Everybody, listen your voice and your concept. Let's say what you basically learn from this test for halogen. Can anybody, students, who can explain these things? Test for halogen. Who can explain that part, students? Tell me, everyone. Or you didn't understand? One of the very simplest reaction. We have NaX, we have silver nitrate, and we will get the silver chloride. We remember side product is NaX. Sorry, NaNO3. NaNO3. Correct, everyone. Now the problem is that you need to learn the precipitate. बेटा precipitate. देखो precipitate learn करना है. White precipitate that is soluble in ammonium hydroxide. Very important one. This part is important. Okay, because you forget this part. That is soluble in ammonium hydroxide. That is sprangly soluble, and it will be completely insoluble. We remember. So this point is very important for you. The second point you need to remember, the sodium fusion extract is first boiled and with the concentrated nitric acid. So to decompose cyanide and sulfide of sodium formed during the Lesane extract. So basically sodium fusion extract को first boil किया जाता है with concentrated nitric acid so that cyanide and sulfide of sodium cyanide and sulfide of sodium formed during Lesane test, you can say. Correct? So that this cyanide and sulfide will decompose, you can say. These ions would otherwise interfere the silver nitrate test. We remember, if cyanide is present there, so we will get the AgC and PPT. Correct, everyone? If we have a sulfide, we will get a Ag2S black color precipitate. So that's why we need to boil with the concentrated nitric acid. Now the last test, very important and very beautiful test, students. Actually, this ammonium phosphomolybdate, basically they are saying yellow color, but beta it's not yellow, it's kind of a golden, it's a yellowish glowish color type of a compound. So beta we have like phosphate ion react with nitric acid and we will get phosphoric acid. This phosphoric acid react with ammonium molybdate. In presence of nitric acid we will get ammonium molybdate. And beta इसका color कैसा होता है? I will show you the color. Actually color you know very well. So beta this type of color of ammonium molybdate will be formed, and that is the confirmatory test for the phosphorus. That is the confirmatory test for the correct, everyone. So you need to understand, students. Correct, everyone. their formulas and all these things. But I'm recommended that first in the first second phase you may remember the color, reagent, reactant, this kind of thing. Correct, everyone? Correct, everyone. But in the second phase, you may write down, you may learn some reactions also. And in third and fourth phase, when you are learning, correct, everyone? So, guys, how many students done till app section today? Yesterday, sorry, not today. How many students done that part? How many students done till section F? How many students till section F? Section F, I think, है ना? Today we start with the section G, na? Section E we have completed. F section we have already completed. Yes, section till section F you can say. No, till section E I think. So how many students got completed? Now guys, I'm sending you that again this particular PDF. I will make a printout and will send today also. I'm sending right now. Just wait for a while. Okay. And you can write down right now by learning the things. And beta, when we will meet next time now, you are able to solve at least till section G. Section G नहीं section H तक. Section H. Section H. Okay, right now I'm sending this particular PDF. Guys, so today I'm giving you one homework, only one homework. From the sheet, you can solve till section, I think H section. Till H section, you need to solve. And when you solve the questions, you will realize yourself, yes, sir, I know very well which type of question they are asking. MB Hyderabad, correct? MB Hyderabad documents everybody check the MB group. Have you received the file? Have you received the file, students? MB students, MB students, you receive the file. Now, guys, open that particular file and start writing. Not start writing, I'm saying start learning. And if you have any kind of doubt, you can tell me. I'm there till 3:30. So you have a 15 minutes. Just go through it and tell me about any kind of problem. Okay, students, now you will get the PDF also. Correct? Sir, this topic for IP or NEET? But this topic for only for NEET right now, not for the IT. IP के लिए नहीं है. This topic is not for IP. I'm telling you that complete one. The complete chapter is not for, no complete. I'm saying the next part is for IP. You can say, but till here, this is specific for the NEET only. Yes, beta, you should continue. Mister, you should continue, beta. This is a continue, na? So till section H तक continue करना है. We have what many more sections now right now. We have a I section, we have a J section also there. Can you say which chapter did you complete it? Sir, Mister, I think we have completed IUPAC nomenclature sheet. Now I'm doing the second sheet, beta. Guys, are you writing? Everybody tell me very honestly. Very honestly, please tell me, have you writing or have you learned that particular thing right now? Tell me, students, doctors, you are writing, Mamshi, very good. Good. Devitej, Ashrita, good beta. Guys, my suggestion that first you need to go through at least 2 3 times. Then you may write. It's better for you. Otherwise, if you are writing directly, it's kind of a copy paste thing. Writing and learning parallelly. Very good, Anushka. Sir, what you have sent in the group? I don't have a mobile number. Mobile, sir. Rishikesh, beta, I'm sending a PDF. So how can you collect that particular PDF, Rishikesh? You can contact to someone, some students, okay, or you can contact to your class in charge. They will mail you that particular PDF. Okay, I think you are here. चलो स्टूडेंट्स, so that's it from today. You can complete your work, beta. Correct, everyone? And I've given you the one work only. Till section H, you need to solve your theory perfectly in your notebook. And second thing, better complete your course question work. Question work को आपको complete करना है. I'm relaxing you 10 minutes most probably. 10 minutes अभी relax कर लो. Evening में आप effectively काम को continue करना. Correct everyone? Okay बेटा. ठीक है. Bye. Take care. सभी खुश रहें. Be happy. Everyone. Bye बेटा. Bye.